What do y'all think? Am I cool yet? I feel like it's been forever since we've worked on the car in the garage. It's been the longest time. But today we're actually doing something that's kind of on the interior of the car. And that is, you guys want to guess, if you guys know what this is Sparco, and we bought a steering wheel. I originally was just gonna get like a cheaper one, but I'm like, nah, I'm not gonna cheap out on the car. So we got a Sparco steering wheel. It's leather all around besides the top. The top is suede, and it's super nice. So we're gonna install this. Jan's here. Jan has a quick release as well on his car, so he's gonna help us do that. But let's try to get this done before the sun goes down.
Just play game, man.
No. What the fuck? Remember I told you how I have the speed gauge there?
Yeah.
And if the battery is off too long, it resets, and I have to use the buttons to do it. So we have to take out the airbag with the battery off and put the battery back on. Okay. So like we can like obviously unscrew like as much as like we need to.
And then right before we take it out, take the battery out.
Yeah, and then just plug it back in. Oh, and I forgot, here it is, guys. So we have our hubs and stuff here. This is the adapter that we're gonna be using, and then we have the quick release right here. All right, guys, this is the quick release right here. So we got the black and we got a gold, basically a gold just like quick release switch, just because I want to be a little different. So obviously, you're gonna pull this back. There we go. You can pull this back and quick release. So this is gonna be on the hub, and the hub's gonna be connected to the basically the car, the steering wheel, and this is your quick release right here. So yeah. Alright guys, so there's gonna be some holes, basically one right there, one under, one on the opposite side. They're just clips, so we're gonna get a flathead and some stuff and just kind of unclip. They're like metal bars, and it's gonna undo the airbag. So we're gonna undo our battery right now and get that airbag out. Alright guys, so this is probably the hardest part of this whole install. You're basically just undoing a bunch of like little tabs or metal. Oh shit, no way.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this off first.
Let me just give it a squeeze.
Oh yeah.
Squeeze. And then you just
take that off.
Wait, no, give me that shit. Put that shit away. Stay here. Okay guys, so we're gonna show you this now because literally no one on YouTube on this install shows you this part. But you're looking for these little bars here. This little bar there, this bar there, and this bar here. You're just basically just moving them out like that. And it's really simple. For the bottom one, at least, it's very simple. You kind of just stick your screwdriver in and just push, and it pops out. These two, on the other hand, the two on the sides, super hard, stupid. But now we're going to turn the wheel forward and then remove all the stuff. Technically the car is salvaged now, you know that?
Yup.
Alright guys. Ended up taping the adapters, the airbag adapters, to the actual harness because technically we're not supposed to be doing this. So they don't sit snug, so I just taped them so they don't fall out. And they don't, the harness doesn't go through the hole for whatever reason, so now we're just gonna wrap it around the outside and just have it sit there. Do you need to hold it?
No.
WRX, it is the next day, and sorry for the other clips. It was kind of dark. It got really dark really fast. But we have installed the NRG Quick Release with a Sparco steering wheel onto the WRX, and that's something I've really been wanting to do for a while now. I know Jan has one, Jericho has one. A lot of people have a Quick Release, and it's something I've always wanted, something I've always been around as a kid, grew up with. I still remember that first time that my cousin did this, and I was tripping out because he just took off his steering wheel. But I have one now. I couldn't get the horn working, so we just kind of run with no horn until I figured it out. But hey, we got a Quick Release now. Look at that. I'm gonna see if I could go actually do like a POV driving for you guys, see how cool it looks, see how this feels. But yeah, we got a steering wheel now, guys. This is cool. Look at this. Y'all see this? Look at that. So nice. I originally wasn't gonna go with Sparco, but I was getting these shipped in very fast, and I needed to just get a wheel. So we went to Auto Fashion, like you guys saw, and we just picked up a Sparco steering wheel from them. So only if the horn worked. I still need to figure that out. I don't know how to get this to work. Am I cool yet?
Oh my god.
Am I cool yet? This thing looks pretty cool. But I need an alignment because either I have an alignment or I messed up. But I mean, even before, my stock wheel was off center too. So this is my straight. It's kind of off a little bit. But alright guys, we've acquired the GoPro, and now I'm gonna see if I can do some POV clips of driving now. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that POV driving thing that we did. We used an older GoPro because I don't have a newer one. I used to have one, but I sold it. I'm gonna try to get a new one now because I think I'm gonna do more POV stuff. But sorry the volume is kind of low, but it'll be better next time. But let me know down in the comments if you guys like the steering wheel, if you guys what you guys would do if you guys would do steering wheel now, or like how you would do it. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.